NASA develops artificial intelligence to navigate space. June 25, 2019. NASA develops artificial intelligence to navigate space. Credits: Nicole Gray. NASA's latest work on artificial intelligence reports that the U.S. agency is working on a guidance system to navigate another planet. This is just another development around artificial intelligence, which follows with a few initiatives around the world beyond the United States. It is said that the Chinese government is promoting a great deal of work in this area, to equip itself with tools that are not dependent on the United States or an international science community, and several U.S. companies are working on this topic as well. This is the case with Google, with its efforts to promote artificial intelligence in Africa, especially in Ghana. What NASA claims, of course, GPS systems do not work off planet Earth, as they are based on technology that has the planet itself as guidance. The U.S. government agency says it could create a file with millions of photos of each location on the surface of the Moon or Mars, and that this could serve as an electronic map, or computerized, allowing robots, or human, to move on its surface. Artificial intelligence. Regardless of what has been developed, artificial intelligence has been progressively improved. The dangers are obvious and have already been described in the movie The Terminator of the Future, many years ago. More recently, the ill-fated astrophysicist Stephen Hawking has given the same warning. It is necessary to be very, very careful with the kind of developments that we want artificial intelligence to bring. It will be very easy for machines to take over our lives. Another film, still older than Terminator, let its audience think about what artificial intelligence could bring. 2001, A Space Odyssey. It was easy to see how HAL 9000, the robot based on artificial intelligence who controlled all aspects of the ship, could take command of the expedition if necessary and with ease. But even more disturbing than that, it was the reversal of roles between the robot and David Bowman, or Dave as the robot called it, when they both fought for control. At one point, we were thinking that HAL 9000, built to obey certain principles, assumed a character and a personality more human than Dave himself, who, like that, acted like a machine, coldly, rationally, super efficiently and without hesitation. All this makes us very uneasy about what the US government, as well as China's, will actually be doing without our knowledge. The eternal quest for efficiency means looking for better, more effective weapons capable of detaining the enemy in the most intelligent way possible. Nothing can beat a robot in these matters. A robot does not feel fear, does not hesitate, does not fail its aim, or at least the probabilities of failing are much smaller than those of a human. It is logical and obvious that both governments, in their struggle for world supremacy, will be seeking to develop weapons with high technological indices. But who will have control over what these governments can do? What kind of weapons can they develop, and what limits will they have? The development of atomic weapons has shown that destructive capacity, once achieved, has no return. The world has lived with this threat since 1945, and very few nations, Brazil being one of them, are available to give up this means of war. What can artificial intelligence bring?